You have the furniture of value is 8,000. Charge the 10% depreciation. 8,000 into 10 upon 100, it means 800. Then you are going to purchase one furniture, 6,000, then 6,000 into 10 upon 100. But this furniture is purchased on some date. Some date is given. Some date is given. And date is furniture purchase and its date 31st April 1st July. That date is 1st July. On 1st July we are going to purchase. So from 1st July to March, 9 months. We are going to just calculate for 9 months. 450. Total depreciation, add with both 12. So 2 depreciation 800 plus 450 1250. Okay beta, on this way we are going to calculate depreciation. Okay, because you have two assets, one outside and second furniture and inside. So just we are taking the first furniture 8%, 8,000, 10%, and then second. Now we are going to add this all. Just add this side and then this side. Okay, this side 47,000, 2,500, then 0, 0, 11 to 3, remain 1, 7, 3, 10, 16, 5, 1, 21, 61, 300, 61, 300, less from here. Total of this 10, 20, 30, 30,000, 38,000, 38 and 5, 43,000, 50,000, 56,000, 56,000, 57,000, and then 58,100. 58,000 answer is 263,500. Less this amount.
Opening capital fund 30,900. It's excess of income over expenditure 2950. Balance sheet total 59,850.
2950. Okay beta, because total of this 10, 20, 30, 38, 43, 50, 56, 57, 58, 100, 58, 350, 58, 350, 0, 5, 9 and 2. Okay, 0, 5, 9 and 2. $29,502 difference surplus. Okay beta, that difference we are doing 2950 answer is coming or not? 2950.
Yes.
Okay, then we are going to make opening balance sheet. Going to make opening balance sheet. Okay beta, clear? This is clear or not? Opening balance sheet is not very tough. Its income and expenditure is very important. Balance sheet will know. Okay, it's clear. All the income this side with the adjustment, all the expense this side with the adjustment. Don't take any balance, only current year data we are take. Okay beta? Okay, go for the next. Okay, go for the opening balance sheet. In this opening balance sheet, we are just presenting old year data, last year data, because we are going to calculate last year capital. Okay, so first outside, see the outside, all the information is given outside data. What is the question? Outside assets is given, furniture is given, furniture amount 8,000. Okay, other
Investment value 15,000.
investment 15 or 50, 15,000. Okay, and the balance, the opening balance that is given in this question, the C, that is opening balance. It's like a cash. That opening balance like a cash, and cash amount is 4,800. 4,000. That investment 15,000. 8,000, and cash is this amount 4,800. Cash is the 4,800. 4,800. Then outstanding subscription for last year, because that subscription is treating as like a assets. That is the 4,500, and 1,000 given about the outstanding rent, and outstanding we are showing on the liability side. $1,000. Okay, anything else? Just go for the next 3. 8 and 8, 16, 16, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 32,300. That capital fund amount is 30,900. It means some adjustment is more. Last year outstanding beta, that amount is 40,800. This amount is 4,100.
4,400.
That is the 4,400. I'm written 4,800. 4,400. 9. 31,900 total. 31,900. Then capital fund 30,009. On this way we are going to make the opening balance sheet. Okay, opening balance sheet. Okay, on the basis of just I have explained the how to make that balance sheet, last balance sheet beta. Okay, explain. If you have a problem, then give the query. Then I will again make the video for that. Explain. First, see, make the balance sheet. Take the cash, that closing balance. The closing balance is given in the receipts and payment account. Put as like a cash. Closing balance beta. Put as like a cash. Okay. Okay, I will make the balance sheet. Time is not there, so that closing balance put as like a cash. Then furniture, both furniture, outside and inside, add and less the depreciation. Then investment, and purchase of some building is there, purchase there, add that furniture. Okay beta, then less depreciation and add that asset side, outstanding subscription, then add liability side, capital fund 30,900 liability side, then add surplus, and then outstanding rent also, outstanding rent we are showing. After that we are going to see, just show the sports fund and less that expense, or that expense is given in the question, less the expense and then show the outside, then just total of both sides will come equal. If answer will not come, then tell about that, then I will in next video I will solve that balance sheet also. Okay beta, thank you. Good morning student. In last video we are going to solve the question number, we are just trying to solve the question number 16. So that in that video we are just make the opening balance sheet and then income and expenditure account, and after that only remain that balance sheet. Okay, if you are feeling some problem with the balance sheet, so now today I am going to solve that balance sheet also, okay beta, let's see how to make that balance sheet. Closing balance sheet. Okay, this is the closing balance sheet. Let's start with the capital fund. First we are written capital fund, and that amount is 30,900. Then add surplus, and surplus is 2950. Add both outside 0833. Okay, then go for the next donation is given for building, that amount is donation for building, that amount is 20,000. Donation for building, that amount is 20,000. Okay, then tournament fund. Tournament fund amount less tournament expense. 7,500, and tournament fund amount is 12,000. Less this amount outside 4,500. Then outstanding rent amount is 1,500. Outstanding amount is 1,500 beta. Okay, clear? Outstanding amount 1,500. Clear or not? Okay. Then after this outstanding amount, we are going to that side, asset side. Before the asset side, again I like to just explain that capital fund that is coming from the opening balance sheet 30,900. Then add surplus that is coming from the income and expenditure account. Then go for the next donation of building that is given in the book, showing in the liability side. Then tournament fund 12,000 less expense given for the tournament fund. We are less here because what? Tournament fund, total tournament fund 12,000, but we are doing the expense during the year, so we are going to less that amount, and remaining amount is 4,500, because it's a rule. If any type of fund is given, so that fund will showing in balance sheet liability side, and the expense which is related with that fund will less from that fund. Okay beta. And last, outstanding rent, because in adjustment is given, outstanding rent is given, that is 1,500, and that outstanding rent we are showing in this side beta, we are showing in liability side. Okay, total this side 8, That donation of building fund is I think 25,000. Okay, 508, 1 remain, 4, 3, 8, 1, 9, it's okay, 5. 59,800, okay. That is the 59,800. 20,000 building, donation for building, 50,000, 50,000, 53,000, 57,000, 58,000, 59,000, 59,850. Okay, come on the asset side. So on the time of making that opening balance sheet, the opening balance taking as like a cash, and on the time of making closing balance sheet, that closing balance taking as like a cash. Closing balance, see in the book. Closing balance, see in the book. Amount of closing balance is 16,100. That is taking as like a cash. Okay. Closing balance in receipts and payment account, closing balance we are taking as a cash in closing balance sheet. Okay beta, closing balance taking as like a cash in closing balance sheet. Okay, go for the next. And next assets is that salary not taking, rent not taking, printing stationery, expense of charity fund not taking. Then next is what? Tournament fund we are not taking. Investment purchase, and outside also investment is given. Okay beta, outside investment is given. So that writing like that. Investment outside 15,000, add purchase investment, that amount is purchase investment, that amount is 10,000. 10,000, the total amount is 25,000. Okay beta, total amount is 25,000. Then after furniture purchase, that furniture is 6,000, and outside also furniture is given. Furniture outside 8,000, add new 6,000, total is 14,000, less depreciation 1250. Okay beta, then 12,750. Okay, clear? 12,750. 12,750. Okay, go for the next. After this, any type of other assets is given? No, only outstanding subscription is given. Only outstanding subscription is given. Then right here, because outstanding subscription outstanding for income we are showing in asset side, and outstanding for expense we are showing on liability side. Subscription outstanding, that amount is 6,000. The total is all 10, 20, 40, 50, 51, 57, 59, 850. 59,850. Now both sides is coming equal. On this way, we are making the balance sheet of any portion of income not from profit organization. First, we are going to make income and expenditure account. Okay, in that income and expenditure account we are taking the all head which is related with the revenue, income or expenditure. Are you saying current year, or you will take for with the adjustment, we are taking these all in income and expenditure account. Then we are going to make opening balance sheet on the behalf of old year or last year data. By the taking of last year data, we are taking the old balance sheet, and then we are going to make this closing balance sheet, and both sides is coming equal. All this full process we are using for the one full question. If one full question is given, so then we are making the income and expenditure account, taking all receipts income side with the taking care of what? Only current year revenue, receipts we are taking, balance we are not taking, and adjustment we are taking. Next, all expense or payment side take are the expense side. Again same thing, revenue expense we are taking, capital we are not taking, balance we are not taking, adjustment we are taking on current year things. Then we are going to make the opening balance sheet with the old year data, old year all assets, old year all liabilities, and take the difference. That difference is coming as like a what? Capital fund. And then we are going to make the closing balance sheet with the capital fund add surplus, then other liabilities and other assets. Okay, on this way we are going to solve the question. Okay beta, clear? Okay, on this basis we are going to solve the question. If any type of problem is there, then ask in doubt. Okay, clear.